Hi everyone. Hello. Hi everyone. I hope you're doing well. It's been long. I haven't made any video. So, I hope everyone is having a great Sunday. And today is 8th of March. Happy Women's Day to every woman out there who's, living her life on her own terms, paving her way through all the crazy things that are happening in her life. I wish you all the success, happiness, joy, strength, because you do you. So, it just reminded me of something that, we say that women's education, girl education is very, very important. But I realized that education probably has nothing to do with how you behave and how you deal with other women. And by the way, I am a feminist, and obviously, feminism means that equal opportunities and the privilege of having a choice. And I think I'm very privileged, thanks to my family, thanks to God, right, that I am privileged enough to make choices in my life which probably other women cannot. So in terms of that, I'm talking about marriage, and not to get married, and when to get married, and the kind of job that I want to do on my own terms. All these things, this is a privilege. I believe it is a privilege. So the place that I work right now at, there are a lot of women, obviously. I mean, not obviously, but for there are women, and they're all married and this and that, right? And I don't wish power to such bitches, right? Because these people, they are empowering the patriarchy. They are in the clutches of patriarchy. They are on the clutches of patriarchy. They want validation from other men, and they are pulling down other women, right? So to them, I would say, shame on you. You people have wasted your degrees. I'll give you an example. For example, any topic that comes, whether this or that, if I have an opinion, they'll be like, ਇਹਦਾ ਵਿਆਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ ਨਾ, ਇਹਦੇ ਨਿਆਣੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੇ ਨਾ. So anybody out there, I really would want you to tell me, what does this mean? Before me being a daughter or a sister or somebody's wife or sister-in-law or whatever, I am a human first. I have every right to show my emotions, to eat, to wear, to be myself. Basically, just because 20 women feel a certain way, I don't have to be the 21st that, oh, I have to feel the same way. I can have my opinion. So all these women pulling me down, and a lot of other women down who just want to live their own life, shame on you. Shame on you, literally. Because this is the kind of society that you're building for future generation. You people have kids, daughters and sons. This is an example you want to set by saying that, oh, पता चलेगा जो ब्याह होएगा, नियाणे होंगे, एडजस्ट करना पैना है. So adjust karna pehna, I mean, we all adapt. I don't think first of adjust is a thing. You don't stop living just because thoda vyah ho gaya te nyane ho gaye. You just don't stop living. You don't stop having an opinion. You don't just sort of start accepting disrespect. I don't think that's the meaning of marriage. And this is how, if you define marriage, I feel sorry for you, all those ladies out there who feel. And imagine they are seeking pleasure. They are being such sadists in a future that nobody knows about, right? So imagine, this is a kind of wishes they are wishing on other young women and women in general, that vyah nahi hoya na. So by the way, vyah nahi ho gaya, azab ho gaya, headache ho gayi. You get married to be happy and to fulfill your life, and all sort of things. And people who choose not to get married, again, wonderful, it's your choice, and you have every right to make a choice in life, right? Be it a guy or a girl. But these kind of women who feel that marriage will change your life, and that in a negative way, I really feel sad. And these are the kind of teachers, apparently, we have in the society. But anyways, all those women out there who are carving their own path, who are on their own journey, who are trying to live life on their own terms in this patriarchal society. Kudos to you, shout out to you, hooray to you, and yeah, may God give you more strength. And if you don't believe in God, whatever you is the source of your inspiration, may you, keep getting that strength from that source. So bye, thank you, and hopefully I'll make a new video soon. Bye bye.